Hey, what's going on, people? It's Jan Cochran's Painting and Home Services. Just want to show y'all a quick video of a little job I did when I first started. Had no business taking this job. It was right after Harvey Day. You know, they had all the walls tore out and stuff like that. So they hired us to come fix it up. And I mean, of course, first starting off, like, yeah, that's a pretty decent sized job. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. But had no business taking that job. I mean, the painting was good because that's what that's what I do. And, as far as drywall repairs, then it's just, small repairs, not full, you know, installations or whatever. So the people who hired us, they bought all the material and they bought the wrong material. It was 5/8 thickness on the wall and they bought half, and so we putting it up there and we thinking like something wrong. So whenever it's time to tape and float, and it's a big old buzz going down the middle of the bit of the middle of the wall. So I mean, at that point we was like, man, well, we already started. So I mean, we could have stopped and been like, hey, you gotta replace this with the right one. But we was green. We didn't know exactly what we was doing as far as full installations. So we just kept going and putting a lot of mud on there trying to, make it right. And we ended up texturing the walls heavy, like real heavy. Try to hide that, but I mean, at the end they paid us, and I mean we finished when we got out there or whatever. But going back looking at it, I'm like, man, we had no business doing this job. I mean, it looked good back then to us, but really it was trash. It wasn't a good job or whatever. So, I just wanted to show y'all that video. So